This is the really old freight elevator in Hartford, Illinois. Look at this. Old Montgomery. I think it's here.
They don't want you riding it though.
You gotta pull the latch. Look at that. Look at this. This is a beautiful old Montgomery freight elevator. It's one like the 20th. Look at this. This thing is really cool. I didn't see that.
Freight only, not for passengers.
Yeah, I know. What's this over here? See, this is the box here. It's that doesn't do anything. But in here, there should be a panel in here. But it's a beautiful one, actually. Fortunately, you can't write it. There's a certificate. Don't get me wrong, this is probably the oldest Montgomery freight elevator I've seen in person. Over here, I'm not sure what this is. Oh yeah. Look at that. Very old Montgomery controls. Interesting. Not sure what that does. It's a beautiful one though too.
Was it?
Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Look at that. Let's take a look at this call button here. Montgomery. But yeah, Justin, I know you're gonna like this. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.